Welcome to Star Auto Authority, a locally owned company and your ultimate destination for comprehensive automotive care. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, are revolutionizing driving safety. Our experts at Star Auto Authority specialize in precision ADAS calibration, ensuring your vehicle's safety features perform optimally. We continuously stay up to date with technological advancements to cover every make and model on the market today. From 24/7 towing to complimentary loaner cars and same-day service, our commitment to excellence redefines auto repair in Vernon Hills. In need of collision repair? Look no further. Star Auto Authority offers expert front-end repair, meticulous paint restoration, and top-tier collision repairs to return your car to its pre-accident condition every time. And our full detailing services division will ensure your vehicle looks as good as new, both inside and out. We deal directly with your insurance company and offer our own convenient loaner car program, allowing you to stay stress-free and on the move while we take care of your vehicle. Choose Star Auto Authority for excellence in collision repair, mechanical services, ADAS calibration, paint, detailing, and loaner car programs. Your safety and satisfaction are our priorities. Experience the future of automotive care today.